Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews and recommendations. Today, we're diving into a must-have safety accessory for parents with young children, the anti-escape car seat strap baby harness chest clip. This innovative device is designed to keep your little ones secure and comfortable during car rides, stroller walks, and more. First off, let me tell you why this product stands out as the best car seat lock available right now. Whether you're a new parent or seasoned pro, ensuring your child's safety in transit is paramount. Traditional car seat straps sometimes struggle to keep active babies and toddlers securely in place. That's where this harness chest clip shines. It prevents children under 1.5 years old from wriggling out of their seats, giving you peace of mind on the road or even just around the house. Now, let's delve into its features. Made from high-quality ABS plastic and durable webbing material, this clip is built to last. It's easy to install without any complex threading, making it a breeze for busy parents. The cute monkey-shaped design not only adds a fun touch but also keeps your little one engaged without the fidgeting that can distract from safety. Here's how simple it is to attach and adjust. Just slide it over the seatbelt, adjust the length as needed, and snap it shut. It fits most standard car seats, high chairs, strollers, and more. Plus, the dimensions ensure a snug fit without compromising comfort. The primary advantage? It prevents those heart-stopping moments when your child manages to slip an arm out of the seatbelt. This clip keeps them securely fastened, reducing the risk of accidents caused by sudden movements. It's a game changer for parents who want to focus on the road ahead without worrying about their child's safety. In conclusion, if you're looking for a reliable way to enhance your child's safety during travel, look no further than the anti-escape car seat strap baby harness chest clip. Its quality construction, ease of use, and adorable design make it a standout choice for any parent or caregiver. Click the link in the description below to get yours today and ensure your child travels safely every time. Don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.